Everyone, so in this video we will solve the lead code question number 283, move zeros. Okay, so this is my problem statement. Given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Okay, so these are the examples they have given. So this is my example number one. What they're saying, like, this is my input nums 0, 1, 0, 3, 12, and they're saying, like, we want output in this format, like, 1 3 12 0 0. So they want, like, move all zero at the end, and, like, non-zero element at the first, but we have to maintain the relative order. Okay, so it should be in the same way, like, 1 3 12. Okay, so after seeing this problem, the, like, most straightforward solution we can think in our mind, like, we can take the two different array, right? So in one array we can just move all the non-zero element, and in the second array we can move all the zero element, and after that we can combine. Okay, so that is the most like, straightforward solution, but that would be not the very space efficient solution, because, like, we have taken multiple extra spaces, right, to store the array. So that is the reason we will not go for that, and we can solve using the two pointer approach. In this approach, what we will do, like, we'll just we will just iterate, and then we can move all the non-zero element first, and after that, like, whatever, like, it will be remaining, we will fill with the zeroth element. Okay, so the first position, like, we will just like store 1, then 3, then 12, and whatever remaining will be there, then we will just fill with the 0. Okay, so let's go to the solution and then we'll see. So here you can see, right, I have created one method, like it will expect, like, one, like, array of numbers. So here what I am doing, like, I'm just created one variable here, insert position, which I am initializing with the 0, and here I've taken, like, one for loop, right? So it will start from 0 and it will go till length, okay, less than num dot length. And here what I am doing, like, I'm checking if the number of I is not equal to 0. Okay, so if that number is not equal to 0, then I'm just uh, inserting the number in the position, right? So it will start from the 0, and after that I'm incrementing the position, right? So it will do this, okay, this for loop. And after that, like, whatever will be remaining, so here I have taken one more for loop, and whatever will be remaining, I'll just fill with the 0. Okay, so that will start from the insert POS. Okay, so let me run this code, and then I'll show you how it is working. So here you can see, right, this is my numbers, array of numbers, you can see here. And then what it will do, it will go to this loop and see the first element is 0 or not. So we can see, so this is my 0th element, right? So first one is the 0, then it will not go to this if block, right? Now for the second one, it will check, like, what is the element of the second one. So you can see this is the one, so it will go inside the loop, inside the if block, and then it will store at the 0th position, right? So you can see here, so it will store, like, 0th position, it has stored 1, and then I'm just inserting, like, incrementing this position. So it will come to the 1th position. Again, like, again it will go, so it will check whether it is 0 or not. Then again, if non-zero, then it will go and store the value, right? And then it will increase the, like, increment the value. Okay. And after that, what it will do, so it will come to this for loop, and it will start from number 3, right? Because, like, it has moved, you can see here 1 2 0 1 2. Okay, so it will start from 3 and 4. So it will start from 3, and it will fill all the value with 0. Okay, so now you can see here it will fill all the value with 0, and then it will print the value. Okay, so now we can see the output. So this is my output. Okay, 1 3 12 0 0. What I'll do now, I'll just copy this code and I'll paste in the LeetCode solution. Okay, so that we can see. So here what I'll do, I'll just paste that. Now I'll run this code. Okay, so it is expecting one more. Yeah, so now you can see here, right? This is accepted and this is my output. Okay, so this is fine, right? Test case and case 1 and case 2 both have accepted. Now I'll submit the solution. Yeah, so it has run within 2 milliseconds. Okay, so here you can see that, right? I'm just So this the time complexity would be like big of n, because we are using like a for loop, one for loop for iterate through the array. And a space complexity, like we are not using any extra space here, right? So a space complexity would be big of 1. Okay, so that's all from this solution. Thank you.